Hello everyone. My name is Leigh Vincent Gonzalez and I'm from TBO1, a BSITBA student. In this blog I'll be discussing neuromorphic computing for my final project in Introduction to Computing. I believe it is one of the trending ICT technology that is under development and it has a great impact to computing industry and other field as well. So come with me as I discuss this topic and let's dive in. Neuromorphic computing. What is neuromorphic computing? It is a type of technology that designs computer system to work like human brain. By mimicking how our brain process information, the systems can be more efficient and adaptable, improving artificial intelligence or the AI. How it works? How neuromorphic computing works. So since our neuromorphic computing since neuromorphic computing takes inspiration from human brain or from the human brain, it borrows heavily from biology and neuroscience. As for the explanation, neurons are the brain's fundamental units, relaying information through chemical and electrical signals via synapses. Neuromorphic computing mimics these processes using spiking neural networks where neurons and synapses are programmed to store and process the data similarly. That is how it works. For the current developments and applications, current developments and recent advancement in neuromorphic computing include new chip designs that use memoristive devices. These devices imitate the brain synaptic connections, allowing for complex computation and while using much less power than the traditional computer architectures. Researchers are now exploring the integrations of neuromorphic computing with quantum computing to further enhance computational power and efficiency. For the application, first one is an AI enhancement, improves pattern recognition and real-time learning. Robotics enhances sensors for fusion or and processing efficiency. The third one, brain-machine interfaces. It enables direct brain-to-device communication. For fourth one, data compression and forecasting. It improves data handling and forecasting accuracy, making it more accurate. And the fifth one or the last one of the example or current application here is drug discovery. It accelerates the simulation of biological interactions. What are the benefits of neuromorphic computing? Our first one is parallel processing. Neuromorphic devices can perform many tasks simultaneously due to their asynchronous nature, offering immense parallel processing capabilities. Fourth, the second one is high performance. Unlike von-Neumann computers, neuromorphic systems store and process data in individual neurons, reducing latency and speeding it up computation. Energy efficiency. Neuromorphic systems are event-based, consuming power only when neurons spike, leading to efficient energy use. Adaptability. Neuromorphic computing involves plasticity, allowing devices to learn in real time and to adapt new inputs, excelling novel problem solving. These are the future potential you may see here. And for the conclusion, neuromorphic computing is a groundbreaking technology that mimics the human brain networks, offering significant benefits for AI and high performance computing. For my closing thoughts, As this technology continues to develop, it holds the promise of revolutionizing the computing industry and impacting the society in profound ways. So for my reference, these are my reference and you may see it here. And I think that's all for my mini blog and for my final project. So I sorry and I want to apologize for the background noise as well. So I don't have the mic that has noise suppression here. So I'm so sorry po. Thank you for watching and I'll be ending this vlog now. Thanks.